For the first time since February, workers are washing buses and getting them ready to hit the roads again. Bus driver Michelle DeVries says it's a relief to know she's going back to work.
I'm really happy that the strike has come to an end. It's been a long, hard strike, not for us workers, but for the general public. And it's really nice to see our passengers' lovely faces again and have their lives and our lives come back to normal.
More than 7 months ago, on February 8th, more than 50 unionized transit workers went on strike. It went 223 days as of yesterday, setting a new benchmark for BC's longest transit strike. Outstanding issues included washroom facilities for breaks. Workers also wanted wage parity with bus drivers in Victoria. DeVries says she would have preferred a negotiated settlement, but Vince Reddy determined he couldn't bring the two sides closer together, so the union voted to accept Reddy as a binding arbitrator.
Somebody that would make recommendations that we would have to take. And our union members voted 93% in favor of accepting him as that person that would make that deal. And happily the company, Transdev, also agreed to Vince in that role.
North Cowichan's mayor says he too is glad there's a resolution. He wonders if the model of BC Transit contracting the management of the Cowichan transit system to Transdev, a private company, contributed to how long the strike carried on.
It certainly raised questions that many of us at the local government level are interested in further exploring, and many of us will be asking the province to take a closer look at the delivery model and determine if changes can be made.
Those who rely on transit say the end of the strike is positive.
I feel relieved.
What have you done in the interim?
Did a lot of walking.
There's no timeline for when Reddy will come back with his binding contract. In a statement, Transdev Canada says over the next 3 weeks, efforts will be focused on vehicle maintenance, inspections, and operation retraining. Following these critical safety preparations, we anticipate a phased approach to full transit service levels. BC Transit says it's working with Transdev on a return to service date as soon as operationally possible. As for its contracting Cowichan Transit's management to Transdev Canada, it says its contracting strategy continues to be the most appropriate model for our regional transit systems.